Is your video not fitting the screen in CapCut? Don't worry, I'll show you how to blur the background and make it look clean and professional. First, open CapCut and add your video to the timeline. If you see black bars on the top, bottom, or sides, that means the video doesn't match the canvas size. Now tap the video and hit copy to duplicate it. Drag the copied clip and place it under the original on the timeline. Next, select the bottom video and enlarge it. Either zoom in using your fingers if you're on mobile, or drag the corners if you're on PC, until it completely fills the screen. Time to add the blur. With the bottom clip selected, go to Effects, then choose Video Effects, tap on Basic, and pick the blur effect. Apply it to the enlarged background clip. That's it. Your video now fits the screen perfectly, with a smooth blurred background instead of black bars. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial you want next.